Hi, I'm Rebecca Nellams and I've recently been picked to do a mystery shopper on Build-A-Bear. We went to the one in Meadowhall in Sheffield. We bought this little bunny rabbit. It's very soft and very cute. As you can see, she's got, I think it's a bubblegum scent inside, which smells very nice. We've got her some little shoes and a pretty little dress and some fairy wings that light up. They also come with a birth certificate with their name and everything else on there. And we got a little tiara, and we bought a little bag to carry him home in. The shop was very clean, the staff were very helpful, and it's a really nice place to take your children. I would recommend it. They also do parties and things like that, so it's worth having a look. But yeah, that's my review, and I hope that it's helpful.